There we go, oil.
Hey,
Huh?
both of them at the same time. That's what's we're like. What
That's kind of weird, yeah.
Yeah.
So it probably needs a new nozzle for sure.
But it's like
Fucking monster. Oh, look at that shit, huh? Yeah, I've never serviced this one. I guess I gotta do it now.
something had to happen. A surge in the electricity, or for both burners to be out. Different burners, different tanks. I'm like,
I don't know.
whatever, right?
It's kind of different. You think they ran out of oil here?
No, this guy, no.
For sure.
Yeah, no. This guy's pretty on top of his game over here. He's...
It's definitely... I don't see no tags or nothing on this thing.
Yeah.
Definitely Carlin. I ain't sounding so kosher, is it? It's definitely tripped out. Let's change the nozzle, check the nozzle, see what that looks like first. Got a hinge there. Hopefully it does. Looks like we take this off, these two screws here, and she should tip right up, it looks like. This is a big ass Carlin burner. I think that's how it works. Look at that shit, huh? Wow.
What's it look like? I've never even seen so. That's the motor.
Thing tips right up. What a funky unit that is. Wow, look at the size of the nozzle on that thing. 6 gallons a minute? Holy shit, mama. I don't think I have one that big. Maybe. It's fucking nuts, huh?
You know, why use the camera? Just to go back and look at things?
Yeah, gotta record my work.
Oh, really?
Well, if there's a problem.
Oh, no shit, huh?
Just in case.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that fucker. That's one big ass unit. It's probably low on, did they run out of oil? You're not sure?
No, I know this guy wouldn't.
He wouldn't.
No.
Look at that for a flipping nozzle. I don't know what size we got in there. Might just need a new nozzle. Take it out, take a peek. You don't think it'd run out? Might need a new filter. I mean, who knows, right?
Yeah. Maybe that, but I know this guy would not run out. He's pretty, because of his, the gym people.
Yeah, he's good with that. You don't want to run out.
No.
It's a bigger. I've never worked on this unit, like I said. Oh yeah, see how it's all black?
Yeah.
Probably not getting any oil flow. That's an old nozzle. It's a 4 gallon 70. Wow, that's a big nozzle. Let's see what I got in the truck. Hey! See if I got one in the truck that size. Change the nozzle. I got a 375/45. That'll work. I don't have a lot of them big nozzles like that. No, I don't work on this big shit.
Yeah.
Probably needs to change the filter for sure. Fucking monster. It's a big unit. We'll change the filter there and then we'll see what we can do. We'll get it going. It's a Carlin. It's an old Carlin. Big fucking unit. Check this filter, see what this thing looks like. We got oil, we know that, right?
Yeah.
Got plenty of oil. Like I said, I've been coming to this building. He never said anything about this.
Really?
Don't look too bad. That don't look bad. That shouldn't be the issue. That's not our issue.
No.
No. Bleed it and it could be anything, right? Any one of these components might be bad. We don't have an overhead oil line, do we? No.
No, they're on the ground. Running flat. Right to the.
It runs over and down.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We should be getting oil then. We'll have to see if we can get a prime on it. Oh, that's loose. That's kind of odd that that'd be loose.
What is that?
The bleeder was loose.
Really?
Did you fuck around with that?
No, I didn't put nothing over here, no.
Well, let's turn the power back on and see what we can do. It's on hard lockout. Alright, light come on. Purge. Yeah, it's full of, yeah, it's full of air, see it? He must have ran out of oil. He's out of water. Look at all that shit in there. Almost looks like there's water in there. Anything else? Running. That stuff looks a little funky there. See it? How it's... See how it's funky looking? How's it taste?
Smells like diesel.
Yeah?
Did that make it go up? That little...
Yeah, what they might have did is he might have ran out of oil and then had it filled.
Is it full? I mean,
Yeah, they're both full.
I'm asking when you got a...
But we put a new nozzle in it. And we checked the filter was good, and we got a little bit of air out of it. She's tied right up, so that's good. Yeah, look, that thing's got to be 8 feet long, this boiler. Look how big it is. Holy shit. That's a fucking monster. Look at this shit. It ain't looking so healthy there. Look at this fucker. 12-inch smoke pipe. Holy shit, mama. Yeehaw. Oh, it's running. Let me get a tag for it.
Hey, seriously, I have anything to think about the water?
Ain't the greatest.
Yeah.
2-inch. Maybe once it heats up, she'll
Okay.
I mean, this thing's a fucking monster, huh?
You go inside, you can see the pipes. It's 3-inch pipe.
Really? Well, at least it's running.
So what do you think it was? A dirty nozzle?
Well, either the nozzle or there was some air in there. We bled it out. I mean, when I came here, the bleeder was loose.
You said, yeah.
We had to change the nozzle.
Yeah. But it's just, is it a coincidence?
New nozzle, bled air from pump, good oil flow. Thing's not sounding the greatest. Well, it's running.
You want to go in and see what it looks like in there?
Oh, really?
Just so you know the system?
No, whatever. If it breaks down and it's not working, we work on it then. I mean, it's a shit show. Alright guys, this one's running here. This is a 4 gallon an hour nozzle. Yeah! Flippin' monster. That one's fine too. Here the air in the pump. Put the new nozzle in. I never worked on that one before. Didn't even know it was here. It was in the back building, Molly. Didn't even know about that monster.